Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. And this video, we're going to do a recap of a couple of trades that we took of trade zones in the S&P Emini Futures. We were 2 for 2. So I'm going to kind of show you guys how we went about doing that. So, but before I begin, make sure you guys click the link down below, join my Discord room. Just started this live last week and have over 100 people already. So thank you to each and every person in there. Hope you guys are finding this valuable. And let's jump right into the video. So this is a recap for November 8th, 2021. This morning, let's go to the Discord chat room, right? ES, right? Long and short, these are supply demand zones. We have one at 47.05 to 07, and then 46.89.50 into 92. Above and below. This is what I tweeted out or put in the Discord chat room before the market opened. So let's see what the market actually did. So right here is right where kind of I sent out the Discord thing and the market opens, and look at this, right into the trade zone and a nice reversal for over 10 points, right? Just from this high down to this low is 11 points. So if you took that, congratulations. Price them bounced, and then we came down. I love to see trades like this, right? Where we come down, we bounce, and then come back down into the second zone where we weren't close enough to where it made this lower zone invalid. Also, just the way the market was trading, it was very slow, methodical. It was a nice, clean market. And look at this, came right down to that 91 and a quarter. Remember, I said 92. Was the top of the zone down to 89. So as we came down, you'd want to be a buyer, and bounced all the way up to 40, essentially 47. So we had about a 6 or 7 point bounce there, or actually about 8 or 9 point bounce there. So when we came back down, this zone is no longer valid, right? It's already been touched, just like this. It's already been touched. These zones, once they get touched, they're no longer valid, and you don't trade them again. Not saying they can't work again, but you just don't do it. Second is, I actually said watch for divergence, right? Is on this move lower. Okay, it's kind of a telltale of, hey, watch for divergence. I think we're right here in the chat room. Divergence, and watch for the kickback trade for a long, and then I updated, never got the kickback on the ES. And what we're looking for was, it was right around here. I would have loved to see price come right back down to about this level right here, okay, and then be a buyer and then see the bounce, because I could put my stop right below the slow, very small risk. But the problem was we never got the kickback. It just kept running. So congrats if you took that divergence, or if you saw it, to any of the members if you're watching this. And hey, this is part of education too, right? Try and teach you guys what to look for. And that was it for the trades, 2 for 2. Really no need to trade more than that. Kind of the day was over early. I even showed, hey, bam, another winner, right? This was the first bounce, but that later on went. And then there was really nothing else except for this. I say, hey, watch for this big M pattern. Right? We're on the 5-minute chart. Possible M pattern forming on the 5-minute chart. M stands for meltdown. So let's pull up a 5-minute chart. Okay. And let's get rid of these two trade zones, right? And this was essentially on the bigger picture, the M pattern that I drew. I said from here, 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 and then here. And let's see if this continues. This feels very weak. It feels very bearish. And also on this entire move up, watch this, right? Kind of even if we drew it from here to here, we broke, touched the back of the trend line, and now we're failing. So going into tomorrow, I'm actually bearish the market. I am personally short the market. Got short through some options. So I am looking for more downside to this overall market. So hopefully that helps. And then just a couple of quick things on the stock side. Not a ton, but I said watch Riot for high of day, watch PPSI for high of day. Okay, and PPSI. Okay, and I called that, where was it? At 7:07. Okay. So 7:07 my time, we were right about here, right? I was saying, hey, watch for this high of day for a move higher, and then look at that move all the way up, right? Nice big move. Actually, let's take a look at something real quick. Yeah. Here, let's actually go to one. I was looking at numbers and I'm like, yeah, they're all messed up. Okay, here's 7:07. Okay, so I was saying, hey, watch for this high of day break right here. Sorry about that. So I said watch for a high of day break, meaning over here we were curling back up, and look at this move all the way up to 780 and then a pullback. Remember, a lot of my trades are just for scalps, but sometimes they do run a long ways. Look at this thing, actually went all the way up to $12. But you also had to ride the wave of a volatility on that. Next thing I said was a DWAC, possible bull flag on the 2-minute chart, and that was at 9:02. DWAC. And essentially it was right here. We were coming down, right? 902. I said, watch the 60 level and look at the bounce. First bounce up to 60.89. Second one was 61.50. Really only took about 30 cents worth of a risk. So hopefully the reason I show you guys a lot of these trades are just trust the process, manage your risk and all that, but understand there is lots of value in here for free, especially for the ESs. This is majorly, I want this to be an ES chat room and all that overall, where I want people to kind of put in their input, and I just alert you to these trade levels when they come in. So with that being said, thank you very much. Hope you guys will join the Discord. Again, links down below. It's free, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.